Welcome back to the Galley Garage. Back here working on the LS9 Camaro. Working on getting the radiator set in here and making some mounts for that. It's going pretty good. It's difficult to get it set right how you want it. Last weekend we went ahead and got this Speed Engineering ZL1 heat exchanger in here. This kit came with the main one along with two little additional ones. These little tiny ones. Those will go in there too, but we got to go ahead and figure out where we're going to put those. Last weekend, also, we went ahead and cut out the back seat humps and filled those in, along with that rear end cover thing. Ton of room back in here. Welds are a little ugly because it's all stitch welded onto the worst material ever made. Not very good metal. Those came out pretty good. Underneath, this thing has a ton of room now. We're gonna go ahead and do full exhaust on here probably. Put some mufflers in there. Look pretty good, sound good. Quiet it down a lot. Just a better look at underneath the car. All these panels cut out. Made some little fillers for right here, both sides. Came out pretty good. There's a ton more room back here now. Able to do pretty cool stuff. Have actual dual exhaust coming up and out to each side if we want to. We might end up putting a fuel cell up in here, so no more gas tank, but we'll see about that one. We'll make a lot of room. Make this thing pretty easy to work on, pretty nice, pretty clean under here. We also went ahead and got the front harness cut up a little bit, got rid of the stuff we didn't need. So slowly working on that. Here's the mess of stuff. Got to extend some wires. I'm gonna run those wires in through this hole we made, and then they'll come out in here somewhere, so we'll be able to see those. They'll look way better. Still, this car is basically just completely gutted now. The only thing in here is the K member, and that'll go here pretty soon. Start sanding for paint. Quick little update on the spare parts Camaro. Also, the block is ready to go. Basically ready to go back together. The head, this one, that's plenty runnable. That'll work. Crank, also gonna run that. Should be fine. Cam, went ahead and took this to the machine shop. Got it cleaned up. Literally brand new again. Nothing wrong with it. Came out perfect. This was the one that got some little nicks in it, but now it's perfect as gets, like it just came from the factory. So that'll go back together here pretty soon and get back to running. Gotta put some new cam bearings in it. Those were chooched in this block. Intake was full of bits. That's cleaned up. Went ahead and made these little tabs out of aluminum. These are the Rock Solid Motorsports little tabs they sell. Went ahead and kind of copied that since they don't make aluminum ones. And these will go onto the radiator like this. I'm gonna go ahead and weld those on, and then those little steel ones I'm gonna cut those down, and those will go on the other side. Something like that, and then these will just bolt to each other. So that'll hold that in there pretty good, hopefully. Here's how I mounted the little intercooler. Went ahead and welded some nuts into the extra pipes we had coming off of the headlight brackets. Welded those onto the bar, bolted those in, and then made some little cover things here on top. Got those welded in. This thing is solid as it gets. Thing going nowhere. You can probably pick the car up off that. So we'll go ahead and pull the radiator back out, get it cleaned up, and hopefully weld this and not ruin the radiator. We'll see how that goes. Got to clean off the old welding table, but my L-dyne for the magnesium wheels finally came in. These are primed and ready for the next stage of primer. Got some paint made. So that video will be coming out fairly soon, hopefully. Show you guys how these things came out. I think they look pretty good. Hopefully it works. put a tack on, and hopefully that works. Well, here it goes. Well, got a tack. Sure is a little scary. Going around back. There's another one. Well, seems right. Fairly close. So something like that'll work. Maybe. There we go. Should have done that on that side too. But no. Whatever. Well, there you are. Hiding. All right, let's go check that out on the car. That's what we're looking at. So here's the basic idea of that. And then those other little tabs will weld onto there. That'll hold it front and back as well as up to down. Should be plenty strong. I'm gonna go ahead and put like a rubber isolator in between those two, just to keep everything from not breaking. And yeah, go ahead and get those welded in the rest of the way and see how we're looking. All right, let's go ahead and get that welded up. Hopefully it look good. Can't really weld thick stuff, but I can weld intercooler pipe all day long for some reason. Grab a new piece. All right, see what happens. What a rookie move. Q-tipped it. Cleaning time. Whoops. Okay, back up and running. Did it again. Oops. Well, that went better. Way smoother. What was that? Alright, let's get to the other side. I think that'll work. Doesn't look terrible. All right. Closer look at those welds. You know, they'll work. That one looks better, but what you gonna do? Okay, it's in there. Doesn't look half bad, surprisingly. Now I just gotta go ahead and cut down those steel ones and then weld those in there, probably on the back. Yeah, probably weld them in the back on this side. Look a little cleaner. Gotta find some little spacer things to put in there before I weld those in, just to know exactly where to put them. But go ahead and do that here in a second and show you guys what that looks like. All right, got those little tab cut out in size, marked. So just go ahead and weld in there like that, and then do the same thing on their side, and our radiator support stuff will be done. All right, got those little tabs welded in. Not the greatest, but they'll hold. Let's go ahead and put the radiator in, see how that looks. All right, radiator's in there, all accessible and easy. Pretty stout, shouldn't be going anywhere. These will keep it from going back when the car accelerates. Should work out pretty good. Here's the idea for the smaller ones. They'll probably both go sit in here and have some little brackets hold them in there, or they'll be behind the fog light holes in the bumper. Something like this, but we'll see what kind of room we're working with and then how it goes from there. All right, that does it for this video on this car. Things should start speeding up here somewhat soon, hopefully. Next week, I'll have a video out on the purple LS9 3rd gen, and then after that, my wheels, if those come out good, hopefully. And then that hopefully doesn't blow up again, but we'll see. Thanks for watching Golly Garage. If you guys like the video, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.